Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Thomas Crying, and the course I'm developing is using technology to improve parental involvement. So once you click on the course, it takes you to the homepage, and with the homepage, I have my details, my contact information, and also I have an introduction video which explains the syllables. So right after that, you just go straight to now. Let's go to the modules to begin. And then when you get there, I have the student resources, which will help students with some resources that I think they might need. And also, it goes straight with the model one and the model two that I have now. So I'll soon add the remaining modules to this course because I already have a draft of it. So I'll just put them here to make it complete. And then aside that one, I have the course syllables attached here where you can also get them at the syllable link on the navigation bar. And inside the syllables, I explained almost everything that will be needed to help everyone get through this course. And I have the course schedule, which happens to be very informative because I have almost everything that will be done in all the weeks. And so far, I have about 12 weeks, and the modules have been divided into eight. So far, this is where I've gotten to, and I'm trying to add a lot of, not a lot of, but I'm trying to add the remaining modules to this course. And then after that, I think I might be at least 70% done with the course. So thank you very much.